Talking about this product, this is not a regular or fixed garage. This is the special portable garage for outdoor as well as indoor parking. If you have some of the space in your house for keeping this portable garage. This offers top-notch security for your loved ones, motorcycles and superbikes. Your bike is safe from dangers like theft, unwanted falling, rain, dust, rodents, rats and unwanted annoyance by wannabes. This is the first patented concept in India, plus designed in India and can be customized according to your motorcycle size and needs. This garage is available in 3 different sizes according to your motorcycle needs. For bookings and orders, contact details in the description below. Plus, to avail special discounts through BikingTech, you can mail us at the given mail ID in the description and molmathu30@gmail.com for discount codes. This is the new concept to keep your bike safe and intact, plus your parking for your beloved one.